Troubleshooting your Coleman Mach AC? Follow this safe reset in 60 seconds. First, power off the RV shore power or generator before touching the unit. Open the access panel and inspect for obvious damage or loose wiring. Locate the reset button on the Coleman Mach control board or near the compressor. Press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds, then release. Restore power and set the thermostat to your preferred temperature. Wait 30 seconds for the unit to reboot and the fan to start. If it doesn't restart, check the AC breaker and the inline fuse. Listen for unusual noises and watch for error codes on the display. If problems persist, power cycle off, wait 60 seconds, then on. Use a multimeter only if you are trained. Otherwise, contact a certified RV technician. Quick tip: keep filters clean and schedule regular maintenance to avoid resets.